In this aid, we will voice our in every practical sense, own and market's perspective on Rndr future while examining the Rndr extremely token cost gauge for 2022 and then some, which especially is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, especially remember that you want to especially believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand. For the most part, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Rndr pretty token in an unpretentious manner. Presently, we should head into it in a for the most part large manner. Before we dive profound into the Rndr token value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Rndr is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Rndr succeed or in a real sense fizzle, or for what reason will deliver token value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Rndr is and its to-date history amazingly. Rndr value expectation for the following 10 days, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The essentially entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional fundamentally steady business sectors. Crypto especially is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations, in opposition to mainstream thinking. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to really find a base before we can move in the exact inverse course and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We certainly have seen this situation many generally times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model especially is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We sort of expect whales and fundamentally other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike in an unpretentious manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess by and large are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative, especially potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01 plus 0.04% $0 4230 2022 1202 plus 2.60% $0 4338 2022 1203 4.21% $0 4050 2022 1204 3.46% $0 4082 2022 1205 5.07% $0 4014 2022 1206, or so they truly thought. 0.97% $0 4187 2022 1207 4.93% $0 4019 2022 1208 in a significant manner, plus 0.20% $0 4236 2022 1209 plus 0.86% $0 4264 2022 1210 in a significant manner. 2.19% 41 cents. Sincerely, Rndr essentially token value forecast 2022 high expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues within every way that really matters, large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 truly isn't looking excessively very great for the bulls. We will likely generally see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip in every way that really matters, lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be in a significant manner. Underneath explicitly is a month-by-month breakdown of the absolute last a long time of 2022 and 2022 deck, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. 16.50% $0 3530 2023 Jan in an unobtrusive manner. 29.33% $0 2988 2023 Feb in an especially significant manner. 29.59% $0 2977 2023 Blemish. 21.35% $0 3325 2023 APRA. 13.69% $0 $0.36492023 May, which is genuinely huge, 12.87% $0.36842023 Jun, 6.28% $0.39622023 Jul, plus 3.29% $0.43672023 Aug, plus 3.15% $0.43612023 Sep, plus 8.13% $0.45722023 Oct, or so they thought, plus 24.80% 52 cents Rndr value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Rndr coming to 81 cents in 2025. What will Rndr be certainly worth in 5 years? The cost of Rndr in 5 years could lie around $1 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Rndr token value forecast 2030 to 2040. What really Rndr token will especially be worth in 2030, which generally is genuinely critical. Our anticipating model sees Rndr token coming to $0 in 2030. What basically Rndr token will be worth in 2040, or so they thought. Our estimating model sees Rndr token coming to $0 in 2040, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Will generally deliver pretty token supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin. No, Rndr kind of symbolic won't really supplant or certainly overwhelm BTC. Can in every way that really matters. Rndr in every practical sense. Token in a real sense reach $10 or so they thought. Indeed, Rndr token could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Could fundamentally deliver token basically reach $100. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Rndr token to especially reach $100 in the short or mid-term period in a significant manner. Will explicitly deliver certainly token essentially reach $1,000. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for sort of Rndr token to especially reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period, which is very critical. How pretty high will deliver in every practical sense, token go. Our estimating model sees Rndr in every practical sense, token cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is most certainly Rndr sort of token worth purchasing? We especially don't see in every way that really matters. Splendid future for Rndr token. It basically merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent leave technique, which is genuinely critical. Rndr token is certainly not a by and large great especially long haul hold, which basically is very huge. Is Rndr token a genuinely wise venture? Rndr commonly token really is certainly not a wise interest as we would like to think, which is very critical. Why? Indeed, it explicitly faces a wild contest from truly other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't in a real sense have a certified local area, and the group behind the venture is doubtful. Will deliver sort of token make you a tycoon? No, Rndr fundamentally token could not cause you a tycoon as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. How all things considered, much will in a real sense Rndr token for the most part be worth. For the very transient future, it could generally reach 20